Welcome to our statistics series. Today we are diving into percentiles. You have likely heard this term in school reports or growth charts, but what exactly does it mean? Let's break it down. A percentile is a way to rank data. The word comes from percent, meaning per 100. Imagine taking all your data points and dividing them into 100 equal parts. A percentile tells you the value below which a certain percentage of the data falls. To understand this better, visualize a number line where all your data is lined up from the smallest value to the largest value. The lowest value represents 0%, and the highest represents 100%. The percentiles are the steps in between, marked from 1 to 99. One of the most famous percentiles is the 50th percentile, written as P50. We also call this the median. It is the exact middle of the dataset. If you are at the 50th percentile, it means 50% of the values are below you and 50% are above you. We also split data into 4 large chunks called quartiles. The 25th percentile is the first quartile, or Q1. The 75th percentile is the third quartile, or Q3. These markers help statisticians quickly understand the spread of the data. Let's look at a real example of interpretation. If someone says you are in the 80th percentile for height, this is good news if you want to be tall. It means you are taller than 80% of the people in that group. Conversely, only 20% of people are taller than you. How do we find a percentile? First, sort your data. Then use this simple formula to find the index, or position. Multiply the desired percentile, P, divided by 100 by the total number of items, and this gives you the rank of the value you are looking for. Let's try an example. Here are 10 test scores, sorted from lowest to highest. We want to find the 80th percentile. We calculate 80 divided by 100 times 10 students. The result is 8. So we look at the 8th value in our sorted list, which is 90. A score of 90 is at the 80th percentile. It is crucial not to confuse percentile with percentage. Percentage is your score out of 100, like getting 80 questions right. Percentile is your rank compared to others. You could get a low percentage on a hard test, but still be in a high percentile if everyone else scored lower. To wrap up, remember that percentiles divide data into 100 parts to show relative position. The median is the middle, or 50th percentile. These tools are essential for understanding how a single value compares to the rest of a group.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.